Hey guys, this is Caleb Jackson, Vice President at Barbie Jackson Insurance. I'm going to do a video today. We've had some clients ask us, what do I have to have if I want to haul household goods inside the state of Florida? And I'm specifically doing a video on Florida today, and this is just hauling inside the state, not leaving the state. And I'm going to jump right into it. There are some red tape requirements that you have to haul, household goods, which is basically furniture moving in the state of Florida. The first thing is you have to be registered with the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services. So, your LLC or your fictitious name and your address, you as the business owner, you have to register with the Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services to haul household goods in Florida. Along with that registration, there are also some requirements for your liability and your cargo. Since you are going to have people's goods in your possession and you're going to be driving around these larger trucks, they kind of regulate how much insurance you're required to have. And I'm going to jump right into that. The first section is the commercial auto liability. This is the liability that goes with the vehicle you're driving in case you hit someone and you cause an accident. Maybe you damage their vehicle, you injure them, or you hit a pedestrian or damage their property in some way. That's your commercial auto liability. And the way that Florida regulates that for household goods movers is based on the weight of the vehicle. So the bigger the vehicle, the more insurance you have to carry. Anything up to 35,000 in gross vehicle weight in Florida, you only have to carry 50,000 in insurance. That's most of your box trucks, most of your 24, 26-foot box trucks will meet that requirement. If you get into a little bit bigger truck, anything between 35,000 pounds and 44,000 pounds, you have to carry $100,000 in commercial auto liability. And then when you get into the really large trucks, your tractor trailers, anything over 44,000 pounds gross vehicle weight, you have to carry $300,000 in commercial auto liability. Regardless of the size of your vehicle, you're required to carry at least $10,000 in cargo coverage. And this is the coverage for the goods you're hauling in the back of the truck. In lieu of the $10,000 requirement for cargo, you can purchase a performance bond in the amount of $25,000, or you can do a certificate of deposit in a Florida banking institution in the amount of $25,000. Most of the customers I have said it's more cost conducive just to buy the cargo insurance. It's usually less expensive than trying to procure the bond or do the certificate of deposit. That's up to you. Either one of those will satisfy that requirement, but most of the time it's better to have the cargo coverage as far as from a cost standpoint. That's it as far as running inside the state of Florida. Look, if your business is located in Florida, but you want to run multiple states, it's a completely different ballgame. If you're crossing state lines, you have to have at least $750,000 in commercial auto liability. You also have to carry a commercial auto liability filing. It's called an MCS 90 federal filing, just like any tractor trailer hauler would have to carry. And you also have to carry what's called a BMC 34 federal cargo filing if you're leaving the state. But that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and check us out at www.barbiejackson.com. Thank you.